Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here planning in my mini happy planner, and there is a challenge going on Instagram where some planner girls or planner boys, I guess, are using the squad goals to plan for this week. So the week of May the 14th through May the 20th. So I've actually already planned in my Erin Condren life planner. So I'm just pretty much going to mimic, you know, all of the to-dos that I have inside of this planner. But again, you're only supposed to use the squad goals. So I'm actually going to try to not use any other sticker books or just anything else other than squad goals. So because this is a challenge, I guess I have to put like some real time and energy into what it is that I'm about to do. So this is some pre-planning that I can erase. I am erasing this, or I have written this, and I am erasing this with a Parku erasable pen. Similar to, not gonna focus yet, similar to, actually I can show you what it's similar to if it's in my, well, I don't see them, but similar to the Pilot friction pens. So I didn't know this was in here, or I would have already erased this out of here. And luckily I didn't do too much pre-planning. So if you don't know anything about these erasable pens, the ink is removable by friction or by heat. So this type of friction, or if you leave it in the heat for too long, like if you leave it in your car and it's like 90 degrees outside, the ink is going to be gone. But you can actually cool it or refrigerate it to bring the ink back. And so it does leave a little bit of residue, but that's okay because I'm going to be writing in here anyway. So let's get zoomed in just a little bit and get started. So I'm pretty much just flipping through the squad goals. I didn't know if I wanted to use like summery stickers or springy stickers. If you don't know anything about the squad goal sticker book, it's actually seasonal. So there are stickers for all 4 seasons. So I'm pretty much just going to be pulling mainly from spring, but from summer as well, because here in Georgia, it has been like 95 degrees and we are leaving for Miami on the 20th. So I figured I could incorporate some, you know, summer stickers. Why not? So I put the weekend banner up at the top and I didn't place it down correctly, and some of it was hanging off. I tried to rip it up to reposition it, but it ripped the page, so I just put it back down and I cut off the excess, which was a little bow. So unfortunately I lost my bow. So I'm just placing the little squad goals everywhere. On Sunday, or is that Sunday? Yeah, on Sunday I decided to put the little girl on the beach towel with the little palm tree because I'm leaving for Miami on that day. So I figured I'd make it pretty, you know, summery and chill and relaxing. I'm using lots of those boxes because I love those, and I did cut down that other box and I'm going to use the rest of it for some other things. So that's just a way that you can get more than one use out of one sticker. I love the Colorful Boxes sticker book, but again, I was forcing myself to just use the squad goals, so I had to make do with what I had. So this is a pretty quick video. I really don't even need to be doing this voiceover, but I know that whenever I don't do it, people are always wondering or asking me to do it, and I'm like, sure. So I'll just, you know, I'll just do a talk through all of my videos, I guess. So on Saturday, I put a little woohoo flag there because I'm going to a planner meetup, and then I had those little mini flags and I decided to put them sideways, or, you know, lay them down horizontally because I already had that other flag vertically. So that's what my thinking was behind that. I have lots of to-dos for this week because this is a week that we're leaving for our trip. So we go to Miami on Sunday and then we leave for our Mexico cruise the following day on the 21st, and that'll be a week-long cruise. So that's why you see lots of bullet points, lots of functional boxes, lots of places where I can write in things, and I'll go in at the end and write in all of the things that I need to do that week. And I'm just mimicking everything from my life planner. So I wasn't actually going to plan in this. I was just going to literally just, write in it with my pen. But because I found out about the challenge at the last minute, I think I saw the challenge, but I didn't really care to participate, because I normally don't care to participate in challenges because typically I don't see them, or they're just something that don't really appeal to me. And so this one did, though, because I love the squad goals. You'll see in a minute, my stickers are pretty much gone out of the whole squad goal sticker book. So I'm going in with my Papermate Ink Joy in 07 or 0.7 to fill in all of my to-dos. I am meeting with my personal trainer on Monday. I'm going to be working from home. I have a staff meeting on Tuesday. I need to do something about this hair on Tuesday as well. I also need to turn in some papers to my apartment complex. Thursday and Friday, I think I'm meeting with my trainer. Maybe Wednesday and Thursday. I need to confirm on Monday. Again, nothing really exciting. Saturday, I do have that planner meetup from 4 to 7. While I'm over on that part of town, I'm going to get my eyebrows waxed where I used to get my eyebrows waxed, which I have not gotten my eyebrows waxed in like a year. So I also want to get one more outfit for the cruise. I already have 2. First time I've been shopping in literally a year. You guys should be proud of me. And I want to get one more. So down there in the notes section, I'm sure you saw that I was pretty much butchered that. I was trying to spell gratuities. It didn't work out. I used my tape corrector, which I got from Staples. And then I just put some of those little stickers down to cover it up. And then I put the squad goals down there. So I'm popping it back in the cover. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.